Found for an exciting challenge.
Time was my biggest challenge. Everything else was great fun. This picture coming up is our new space, and we have been redoing it, and it has been a lot to add this in. I was so excited for this challenge because I had an excuse to go here.
Remember, Shyla, Debbie said we can only go in for 2 things.
Okay, Caitlin, when you have a drinking problem, they say to not go to the bar. This is my bar of choice, and I have to make myself stay out of it. The first step is I know I have an issue. What the heck? Okay, $3. I have access to a country. I am not paying $3 for that. That
This
could
would
be
look
so
good
good
with those new colors in distressed. $6 for this hunk of piece.
Okay, you can make that into a winter decor. Okay, and brand new top sequence at Dollar Tree. Oh, these wooden boxes are always a fun flip.
Do you see what color is on half price today?
No, I showcase 3 of the new colors. So 9 total for these 3.
It's $4 though. Okay.
This ice
Oh,
bucket.
these are always good sellers. Which is that one? $6. Needs to be
$6.
2. The feet. Look. Oh, how much is
It's a bed
this?
tray.
These are adorable.
6.
Yes, Caitlin. This is different.
Ooh.
We could put one of the fun colors on it and then distress it back so the blue shows. It sets in a wrought iron, but you can make these cloches and put a little succulent under there or a little miniature chair. What'd you find?
Curiosity killed the cat.
How much is it?
And $3.
Okay, I've already killed a bunch of cats. Okay, they're dead. This is $5. Caitlin, I want to serve you a drink out of this.
I love this.
How much is it?
$6.
It's okay. Now that is a chunk of love, already cute. Practicing for her wedding before we go home. You too?
Yeah, my business. It's like the perfect green
Oh my God. Love the Lord
with all
with
your
all-
heart.
Oh, good job. How much is it?
6.
Is it a red tag?
No.
Dang it. But I'll pay a little bit more for Debbie's video, okay? Hi, baby.
Her name is Lily.
Hi, Lily. Does she let people pet her or? Lily, hi, honey.
She's still a little skittish. I
Aw.
rescued her from a breeder.
Oh, God bless, man. Oh, precious. Oh, my. These are cute. You can hang these on the wall like this with flowers in it. Okay, we're searching. Oat, $3 a piece. Like 600 or whatever. This is wood. I will drill a hole, pre-drill a hole, and put a screw through. And do paint, drippies, blends. $4. Stores are a great place to buy lamps and lampshades. Shades alone are so expensive. Don't pass them up. This is a lamp redone, and you can dye your lampshade. What did you?
It's a Christmas wreath.
Okay, now that is cute. Caitlin, she's sparkly. Great price.
After this challenge, we might need to relax.
Ew, I'm not putting my, yeah, you go first. I'm not putting my feet
I'm
in
not
that.
either.
With our DIY paint, you can paint metal, glass, fabric. You can do so much. Don't pass these up.
because we can paint right over that and it won't even look like a goose.
We found our project. This deer turned out so cute. You got to watch how we did it. So fun.
This could be a good makeover because we could make
yeah.
it, we could put some of our floral transfers on this and paint this. Okay, look at this. This is what caught my eye. Chunky wood. And is this
Oh,
one?
it's a red tag.
Shut up, we're getting that. Solid wood. It looks like it was really, they don't do them like that anymore.
$3.
Red tag.
I was way off.
Score. This might be our thing.
We're gonna have to put some stuff back. We're over the 2.
Okay, I may not put it back. But how are we gonna pick which 2? This is bad. I think we need another. This is hard. Okay. Huge. Oh, I have too much stuff. Okay, but I always wooden bowls. These are so expensive new. $4. Do I need this? Thrifting is the key to my heart. We can make this so cute.
Oh my gosh.
$6. It needs to be 3. This would have been a good one. So cute. Solid wood. Wood. This is worth a lot of money.
I already found my stuff, but I'm on fire, so I had to go to the second thrift store. Oh my goodness, guys. You could put craft scissors in those instead of knives now. Drill a bigger hole. This place was loaded. I didn't need this, but I bought this. I use this on furniture fronts. I use these upside down on bookshelves instead of hanging them on shelves. I was freaking out wanting so much stuff, but I really had to hold back.
Da, 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 da. We are supposed to be on a paid job right now, but we're delaying it just a minute. Nobody's there. It's not like we're gonna be late for that, but because we gotta taste this paint. Oh! Okay, go ahead, dip in. Let's do cheers. Cheers, my dear. We just got to get a little love on here. Oh,
That's good.
oh. Here is just happier. He was waiting and waiting for Eden. Okay, I've got a full spade. What is it? Do you play poker?
A little bit.
Oh shoot, say that again.
It's like a gender reveal.
Okay, let's close our eyes. Tell me when. You got it pulled up?
Yep.
Let's look.
Oh my gosh.
It's
It's so different than the other blues, I feel like.
Our baby is, okay, we are going to dye this, okay?
To dye fabric, it takes a very small amount of this highly pigmented paint mixed with like 7 parts water, and you just literally brush it on, spray it. You'll see us doing it. It's so good. The links to all the products we use will be in the description box.
So you've never dyed with a DIY paint? And you've worked for me for how long?
A year and a half.
I'm sorry. I have done you an injustice. Moisten with the mister bottle and out the porosity so it'll not grab real strong in one. Okay, area. Yep. Oh my gosh, it's already the best ever. And then texture showing up. Oh, long and move it along.
And this won't get stiff or anything?
No. And then like if this was velvet,
you don't even have to do it so much with this. Like I'm taking my little scrub brush, upholstery brush, sanding block, and you can just work. This just helps work it down into the fabric. And then you can let that dry a little bit and then go again. And you can even do ombre and blending with it, even on fabric. We release a video every Friday, so please like and subscribe. Big glob, and then we'll let it drip. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I mean, you can smash that in a little bit. Like, yeah. Yeah, this is dot and spray at the same time. Let's see what that does. Yeah, I'm liking it. Oh, I'm loving it. It's doing it. You like it?
Yeah.
Oh. Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe like, yeah. Yeah, work on that little line there a little bit. You might have to go up and down a little bit to, yeah. We're experimenting here and it's a good one. Oh. Guys, this is the Electrified.
It was good.
Oh, ah! We are up for the challenge. There was something kind of making this resist a little bit, and it so inspired me to try to purposely make something resist. So on some projects, stay tuned and keep watching, I will spray some shellac on spots, or I will use some Vaseline on something or something. And then I'm going to do the spray drippy dyeing technique and let it kind of separate like that. Do you see it? Oh, it's so good. So because we are going to put transfers on this, we let this dry 24 hours. Then we put some Big Top and Liquid Patina and let that dry. We forced the dry really fast because we're in a time crunch, and it still worked. We blow dried it, heat gunned it, and then we put our transfers on, and it worked out so good. Okay, so now we're using this Walking on Water. Oh my goodness, guys. These colors, you will not be disappointed in any of our colors, but these new releases are spectacular. Thank you, Debbie. Before I edited this video, I added a touch of the golden rule on the corners and even on the shade, and it looks so good. So I also did put a layer of the Liquid Patina over the top to seal the transfers. You don't have to when you use these transfers on glass like we're doing here. We did seal this little fabric around this frame and let that dry really good before we put the transfers on. That worked out beautifully. I would encourage you to try this.
We're going to find out if it will transfer.
But we got a lot going on here. We have it prepped, though.
It transferred.
What do you think, Caitlin?
It's beautiful.
Oh my goodness, I love this.
The colors complement each other so well.
What I think is somebody could take an actual velvet bow and add even some more dimension, and like maybe even make a big velvet bow to hang it like from the wall. Would you gift this to?
I would gift this to my fiance's parents because they have some like deer and antlers around their house. Total mix of boho, eclectic, and rustic.
Okay, we are in such a time crunch here. So we started with Big Top and we have nothing left. So we're gonna finish sealing this with some Liquid Patina because it's fine. We're double teamed, so busy. Heading by our paint bar so we can advertise the new colors and how you can put transfers on fabric. You can dye your fabric. You can wet distress, and look at all the beautiful colors. They're so cute. I couldn't slap the smile off my face. This is so fun. So we did have to get a block of wood and hold it under while we were putting on the transfer because, you know, it's bouncy. We release a video every week. Please like, subscribe, and comment. We would love to interact with you. I'm very active on Facebook, and all my socials are Decorizing Your Life. Okay, Caitlin, what was the thing that stretched your creativity the most?
What stretched my creativity is picking the colors that blended really well together and learning to dye it on fabric. Those were two new things that I learned that really stretched my creativity.
Yes. And the funnest part for me was getting to shop at the thrift stores and actually doing the project. But the challenge was time crunch. Like, do you see her? She's in her school attire for her esthetician, and I'm in my hobo clothes, and I had to come out here to finish this video. It's been a lot.
But we're excited to
Yes.
see what Debbie does.
Yes, and all the other contestants. We're not in a beauty pageant, but all the other people will be linked that did this challenge as well, and you'll want to watch it because it's crazy what people think of. Those crazy artists.